Sunset meditation, ending the day with peace. Find a comfortable place to rest. Allow your body to become still. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in. Exhale softly and completely. Imagine the evening sky above you. Warm colors stretch across the horizon. The day begins to slow down. Allow yourself to slow down too. Feel the calm of the evening. Let your breathing become natural. Release the rush of the day. Release the need to do more. This moment is yours alone. Notice the gentle rhythm of breathing. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your jaw relax. Let your hands become loose. Allow your legs to rest deeply. Imagine the sun slowly descending. The light becomes softer and warmer. The sky glows with peaceful colors. You are surrounded by calm. With each breath, feel lighter. Let go of unfinished tasks. They can wait until tomorrow. Let go of lingering worries. They do not belong in this moment. Only peace remains here. Breathe in the quiet evening air. Breathe out tension and stress. Feel your heart becoming calm. Feel your mind becoming clearer. The day is gently fading away. You can let go now. Trust that you have done enough. Trust that you are enough. Allow gratitude to fill your heart. Think of one beautiful moment today. Hold that memory gently. Let it bring warmth to your spirit. The sunset welcomes reflection. The sunset welcomes peace. Notice how calm feels in your body. Notice how stillness feels in your mind. You are safe in this moment. You are supported by the present. Take another slow breath. Allow serenity to deepen. The sky grows darker now. Stars begin to appear. Each star reminds you to rest. Each breath brings greater ease. Let the evening hold your worries. You do not need to carry them. Feel spaciousness within. Feel quiet within. Feel peace within. Rest in this peaceful awareness. Allow your thoughts to drift away. Like clouds across the evening sky. No need to follow them. Simply watch them pass. Return again to your breath. Return again to stillness. Feel grounded and centered. Feel balanced and calm. Let the beauty of sunset guide you. Toward rest and renewal. Breathe gently and peacefully. Allow your energy to settle. Allow your mind to become quiet. Allow your heart to become light. The evening invites relaxation. The evening invites healing. Trust this peaceful transition. Trust the wisdom of rest. Feel gratitude for this day. Feel hope for tomorrow. Remain present with your breath. Remain present with yourself. Take another calming breath. Exhale with complete ease. Feel peace flowing through you. Feel stillness flowing through you. Feel comfort flowing through you. Everything is slowing down. Everything is becoming quiet. You are exactly where you need to be. Let yourself fully relax. Release any remaining tension. Release any remaining stress. Allow calm to take its place. Feel renewed by this quiet moment. Feel restored by peaceful breathing. The day is complete. The evening is unfolding gently. Take one more slow breath. Enjoy the stillness around you. Enjoy the stillness within you. Allow this feeling to remain. Carry this peace forward. Carry this calm into the night. Begin returning to your surroundings. Notice the space around you. Notice the support beneath you. Take a deeper breath. Bring gentle movement to your fingers. Bring gentle movement to your toes. Feel refreshed and peaceful. Feel calm and centered. Take one final deep breath. Exhale with gratitude. Appreciate this quiet moment. Appreciate yourself for being here. Gently open your eyes. Return with peace in your heart. Return with calm in your mind. May your evening be peaceful.